In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale an image in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser and make sure you're on the main workspace. Once you're in, head over to the library section. This is where Leonardo stores your generated images and uploaded files, so it's the right place to find the image you want to enhance. Inside the library, click on Your Uploads. If the image you want to upscale came from your generation history, you may also be able to locate it there. The key idea is to find the specific image you want to work with before moving on. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have several similar images saved. Next, hover your cursor over the image. When you do this, an overlay menu will appear on top of the thumbnail. From that menu, click the upscale icon. This opens Leonardo's upscaling options, where you can choose how the enhancement will be handled. At this stage, select either Ultra or Pro to trigger the Leonardo Pro Upscaler. Then choose the upscaling style that fits your goal. If you want the final result to stay very close to the original composition and structure, choose Precise. If you want Leonardo to add more interpreted detail, such as richer textures or finer visual elements, choose Creative. A good tip here is to use Precise when accuracy matters most, and Creative when you want a more polished or stylized result. Once you've made your selections, click Upscale. Leonardo will begin processing the image and generate a higher resolution version for you. Depending on the image and the selected mode, this may take a short moment. And that's it. You've successfully upscaled an image in Leonardo AI Desktop and can now review the improved version in your workspace.